Does your bathroom sink stink? Is it smelly every time you turn on the water? Do you just smell some nasty, stinky stuff going on in there? Well, we're gonna clean that out today. I'm gonna show you how to clean that out. You're not gonna have to call a plumber or anything. And ladies, you can do this on your own. You don't need your man to do that, but if you got a man that's gonna do it, let him do it. Let's get to cleaning that sink. So here is my bathroom sink. Now, every time I turn on the water, it smells. And let me tell you a couple reasons why this can smell. So first of all, you need to make sure that there's not hair clogged in here. So depending on what sink you have and how this is going to come out, mine actually just twist out, so it's pretty easy. But this, do you see that? That is making your sink smell pretty disgusting. So first off, you need to get this cleaned, okay? And all you have to do is just use some bathroom cleaner and a little brush to clean that off. A lot of the times in our bathroom, toothpaste can build up in the walls of your piping in your sink, and that's really what's causing all of those smells. All right, so step one is complete. We've cleaned that hair out of this little thingy. I do have a video showing you how to disinfect your bathroom drain, and I'll put that in a link in the description box down below. But for this tutorial and this video, this is really what's going to get it clean, especially if that other method is not working for you. What we're going to be using is these little brushes here. Now these are specifically made for your drain, and they're really cool. They come in so many different sizes, and I will link these in my Amazon store down below. They also have this size here, which is really perfect for smaller drains, and even this tiny one right here. But today we're gonna be using this one. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and unravel it. I do suggest starting off with this smaller brush because the last thing you wanna do is get this stuck in your drain. So we're gonna start with this smaller one. It's just a tiny bit smaller, and it's really long, like it's probably over 5.5 feet long, which is really good. We're gonna get really down deep in this hole. And all we're gonna do is take it and we're gonna push it down in this drain. I'm almost afraid to find out what is in here. Let me switch arms, and we're just gonna push that down. I'm just gonna kind of go up and down just in this first little area right here. Let me pull it out. Definitely use gloves if you want to. I'm gonna go slow because I can see it like getting, spraying everywhere. Oh goodness. Okay, I'm going really slow. Oh, that's so gross. Oh, do you see that? Oh my gosh. So yeah, I mean, we're already kind of cleaning that out. Let's just keep going. So you're just gonna continue going up and down to clean the sides of that piping down in there. So that's all you're gonna do. Keep going until it kind of stops. Now, if it does stop, you can keep pushing it because it might just be a curve in your drain. And then I'm not gonna like totally go too far because I don't want this getting stuck, but this is really cleaning it out. I'm gonna turn on the water and just clean this up. Yeah, definitely kind of keep that water on. I think that really helps clean it out, and I can like just smell. I can smell the disgustingness of this. So yeah, that's all you're gonna do. I'm telling you guys, this is like the secret to keeping those drains nice and clean without having to take everything apart from underneath and clean it. And look at that, guys. I mean, we're gonna come out super clean now. Ta-da! Just like that. Wow, can you see down there? It is like crystal clean. That pipe actually looks white. I don't know if you guys can see that. Wow. Well guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video and it was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you'd like to see another video, click on the video link right here, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!